Hey guys, Emmy Love 787 Arctic Foxes came out. I'm so happy. I've been saving up my diamonds for one. Now I only have 5 diamonds. That's right. I don't know I don't know what to dress it up as. It's just so cute. No! This is hard. Looks cute. I just don't know. Okay. Oh my gosh. I just don't even know. Everyone has one now. Almost everyone. I'm just so happy. Oh, that girl's pretty. Now I have so much. That's for my Don't Judge challenge, so don't judge that. So ugly, I'm sorry. Okay, it kind of reminds me of, that, cause, I'm not gonna say it because I always, pronounce it wrong. Linux. I don't know how to say it. Anyway, that's a dance. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh. Sleep. That is adorable. Hop. That's just a hop. Right? Huh. That's cute. It's kind of like a normal fox. Let's compare. Okay, so the Arctic fox has a thicker chest. It goes more out. His face is more thicker over that area. And the dances are not that different. Sleep's not that different. Hop's not different. See, it's just weird. Oops! I changed my Arctic wolf. Ugh. I don't care about you. I don't like Arctic foxes now. Oh gosh. Excuse me. So I don't know what to dress it up as. I don't like this. That's cute. Okay. This is getting somewhere. That is humongous. Oh my gosh, that's bigger than the thing. Oh my gosh. This is really hard, guys. Oh my god. Look how much clothing I have. It's not a lot. What about nerd glasses? Oh gosh. The top hats look bad on them. Oh, that actually looks really cute. Ding, ding. I love how they walk. If you cover up the head, they look I don't know. So, that's just Arctic hot massage. That's from the Rare Monday. I don't care. Rare on Monday. I'm gonna fly everywhere. Oh yeah, that's a big thing. I think I'm just gonna. Is that cool? Okay. So bye guys. Bye bye. So cute. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.